Okay, step 3, you are going to take your watercolor paper that you did and you're going to take your thumbnails and the object that you wanted to draw, and you're going to start actually transferring your thumbnail onto the watercolored paper. So you're going to do the same process as before. You're going to really look at your object and you're just going to start to transfer this by drawing. Some people use like a grid system where they take this thumbnail and they like divide it into quarters, and they lightly divide this paper into quarters, and then they start to do the drawing. It kind of helps you sort of get things in perspective and the right proportions. That's up to you if you want to do that. I can show you how to do that if you'd like, or maybe you already know how to do that, which is cool. So basically you would just kind of divide this right in half using a ruler and divide this in half, and then you would draw what's in this top quadrant. Like if you labeled these A, B, C, D, you would draw what was in A up here, what was in B up here, C and D, if that makes sense. So, but I can, if you're interested in that, I can obviously show you more in person too. So I'm going to start to transfer the shell onto here the best I can. It's kind of a crazy drawing. It looks like a weird creature. Okay, so obviously I need to work on this a little bit more. I might actually put a frame on this as well, but I don't know. I've got an idea. We'll see how this goes. If you want to talk to me about maybe framing too, that would be great. Okay, so once you are satisfied, I don't know if you noticed, but I was drawing really lightly. I want to have a nice light line on here, because what's going to happen is I'm going to go back and I'm going to start to render this. And rendering means shading, like filling in with values to get this to look 3D. Okay, so I'm going to keep working on the drawing part of it, and you should do the same as well. Okay, good luck.